In this video, I will be showing you how to forward emails to Gmail account in Namecheap account. So let's get started with the video. First, you need to log into Namecheap account. And next, you need to click Hosting List tab on the left side of the screen. And again, click this cPanel button to enter the cPanel settings page. In this cPanel settings page, click and enter forwarders under email section. To forward emails from email account to Gmail account, click Add Forwarder button in this page. Next, enter the username of the email account which you intend to forward. And in the domain field, select the domain to which the email account is associated. And in the forwarding email field, type in the Gmail account to which the emails will be forwarded from Namecheap email account. And finally, click Add Forwarder button below. And done, you can see here, emails from this email account will be forwarded to this Gmail account in Namecheap. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.